Welcome to SkySight Forecast, your global weather news source. And here are tonight's top global weather headlines. Headline 1. Beijing braces for rare extreme gales. Beijing has issued its first orange wind alert in nearly a decade, ahead of extreme gales expected from Friday to Sunday. Gusts may reach level 13, capable of toppling trees, billboards, and even light vehicles. A strong cold front is sweeping through northern China, triggering gales, hailstorms, sandstorms, and even blizzards in Inner Mongolia. Authorities are urging residents to stay indoors, avoid non-essential travel, and suspend outdoor activities. Several events, including the Beijing Marathon and a Chinese Super League football match, have been postponed. Airport operations may also face delays or cancellations. Headline 2. Crop devastation in India's Yadgir District. In southern India's Yadgir District, pre-monsoon rains and gusty winds destroyed acres of crops overnight. Farmers in Shorapur and Hunsagi lost up to 50% of their expected harvest of paddy millet and groundnuts. Already facing water shortages, this unexpected blow raises concerns of financial loss and food insecurity in the region. Headline 3. Extreme weather disrupts Latin America. A new WMO report reveals devastating weather impacts across Latin America in 2024, from the Andes to the Amazon. Heat waves and drought sparked historic wildfires, including Chile's deadliest disaster since 2010. Flooding in Brazil caused over 180 deaths and billions in agricultural losses. Despite challenges, the region saw a 30% growth in solar and wind energy, with early warning systems saving lives. Headline 4. La Niña ends, ENSO returns to neutral. According to NOAA, the La Niña climate pattern has ended, with the Pacific Ocean returning to ENSO-neutral conditions in March. This shift could stabilize global weather, but spring's unpredictability means forecasts remain uncertain. Neutral ENSO phases still influence global patterns, from hurricanes to droughts, so meteorologists remain on alert. That's all for today's forecast. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow, right here on SkySight Forecast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for daily updates at midnight.